So I will be a storm chaser. How much does it pay?
It pays $100 an hour. No experience required. Yes or no?
Yes. And one more question, what happens if I die?
You won't in the Dom 2 if you deploy.
All right. I'm so excited.
Great.
Wait for me.
We are almost there.
Okay.
So this is Orange. He will be your storm chaser partner.
Hello, Orange.
Hello, Melon.
Let's get in the Dom 2.
Ready.
Ready.
All right, time for deployment test.
Flaps.
Check. Spikes. Check.
Let's go now.
Good luck, you're gonna need it.
All right. Hello, like and subscribe for more stories like these. Bye.